It's us.
Yo, what's poppin', Playboys? Welcome back to another video, man. It's a POV drive to work, man. It is 9:24, and I was supposed to be at work at 9 o'clock. So we gonna try to get to work as fast as I can. I think I have one of the cheapest radars ever, because this thing beeps. And I don't be seeing what the hell is beeping at. It just beeps. Crazy how I got a whole sheriff cop right in front of me. Sounds so good. Damn, bro, this shit is going exactly where I'm going. Oh, look at that Porsche. Damn. Can't even do a pull. Cop right there. I couldn't do a small one though. Car sounds amazing. How much boost was that? There's no way that was 70 PSI boost. That was crazy. 70 PSI, just like that. Thing just loads up. Like you inserted a video game into a PS4. Thing just loads up, boy. It's crazy. Oh yeah, this guy is late for work. That cop is late for work. This man doing illegal things. See if I can get a little small hit right here. Gotta love boost, man. I was gonna keep spinning too. The whole floor outside right now is wet. The whole road, I mean, that's not floor. It is a wet floor. One of those Hellcats, man. Detector be going crazy and there's nothing that is scanning. I need to take this crap off. It just makes me paranoid for no reason. touch the pedal in this car, it's like kicks you right in the chest. Once it hits boost, right in the chest. It's wild. And see what I mean? It does that for like 3 seconds and stop. Crap is trash. Traffic, bro. Usually when I'm this late, the roads are completely empty and I'm able to like do pulls, but as you can see, there's a lot of cars on the street right now. Bro, the sounds this car make, the turbo, the wastegate, the gears, the car just sounds amazing, bro. And the fact that I daily drive this lets y'all know that y'all can do it too if y'all really wanted to. Y'all can really daily drive a 600 horsepower Civic. It's just if y'all want to. Driving fast and it slowed the hell down. That damn radar detector made me paranoid, bro. So what cop is it seeing? What radar is it picking up? Damn, I'm taking this crap off. Thought it would be a good investment. Crap his ass. Sounds so good. That was vibrating. All thing I can say I could complain about in this car is that it vibrates very badly. Yeah, I can make it better by putting like softer mounts in it, but it's like, bro, you do that, you might break them out. I don't know. I'm fine with the mounts. I'm so used to the vibration, but when you have other people in the car and they can feel it in the back seat, that's when it's like, damn, how bad does this thing really vibrate to new people? Yeah, and y'all could probably hear it in video. I know y'all hear it in video. That's how I know it's bad. Whole car shakes. I remember when I first, I'm about to, dog. Shut up. I know when I first got Dusty back from Bernardo, and I started it up, and everything was just shaking, I said, what the there's no way this car shakes like this. But now I'm so used to it. At first, I was annoyed, I'm not gonna lie. But right now, it's like, whatever. So used to the vibrations. Sounds so good. Sounds great. Oh my goodness. I wish I had somebody to drive it and do a pull for me. If I could hear it from outside the car. Jeez. But alright you guys, this is where I'm at off the video, man. Just wanted to do a little quick POV drive so y'all can hear Dusty, man. I realized that lately my content has not been the best, and I feel like that's because I haven't had any crazy events happening. I haven't been able to like install any parts because I don't really have anything I want to install on Dusty. So yeah, content has been a little ass, I'm not gonna lie. But hopefully it picks back up. Hopefully I can find something else to do, or hopefully in a few months we have another build on the channel. That would be amazing. But yeah, man, if you guys enjoyed it, please leave a like, comment, subscribe, follow your boy on Instagram at _GotTheSoda. And yeah, your boy's out, man. Peace.
Yeah. Trouble on my mind. I got trouble on